Today we're talking about the VULCAN LWL 901 complete multi-piece wireless tow light kit. These wireless tow lights will replace the lights on your trailer. No more fumbling with old wires, no more dealing with your trailer lights once you pull it out of the garage and you still have to deal with it. These lights work completely wirelessly and independently of each other, and they tie to your trailer light plug just the way any other regular tow light would do. Let me show you how the LWL 901 charges. It comes complete with a dual USB charger, which is really great because you can charge both lights at the same time. Anything that draws power from a USB, you can use this, and if you want to charge it in your vehicle, all you need is this little 12-volt adapter. You're probably using this already in your vehicle. You're looking at approximately 2 hours to charge these, and they will run for 8 hours. Like with all devices that have rechargeable lithium batteries in them, when you first receive these, you're going to want to fully charge them. They come with charging indicators on the side, and we'll show you exactly how full it is. Once they're fully charged, they're great to use, and they should give you a long-lasting life. The real genius of the LWL 901 lies in the transmitter embedded inside of your 7-way plug. You'll use this plug just the same way you would as if it were wired, and plug it in directly into your wiring receptacle on your vehicle. After you've positioned your lights the way that you want them, in this case we've got them just set up on the table in each different configuration, and you've already inserted your plug into your receptacle on your vehicle, you are ready to roll. We've built a simulation box that will simulate your brake lights, your turn lights, your running lights, and show how these things operate wirelessly. So they're ready to go, the power is on, and we're going to demonstrate to you the running lights first. Normally you'd have your headlights on. Anytime your headlights or your running lights on your vehicle are on, these are going to be running and giving some visibility to the back. I can also demonstrate the brake lights for you. When you're ready to step on the brake, you will get a very bright blast of light. It's just a super powerful brake light and will work in the way that all brake lights work. And of course, when you need to turn left or right, it's directly wired to your turn signals through your transmitter. That is your left turn signal, and of course this being your right turn signal. So the distance that the Wi-Fi signal travels, of course this is a studio setup, but I can tell you that these work at approximately 60 yards or further. You can put these taillights at the end of a very long load and not have to worry that the signal is not reaching. The LWL 901 has a number of ingenious functions. Flip it around. Everything is operated from the one-touch button on the back. A series of pushes will do a series of different things to get the light into a mode that you need it. So I call this the control panel. And what it does is tell you what situation or what setting the light is in and what state it is, so if you'll know whether it's ready to go or not. Simple press, the first one, all it does, it turns on the operation, turns on the light, and shows you how charged the battery is. Press it and hold it. You'll get your license plate lamp to come on if that's something that you need, depending on the position. If you need something throwing a little light off to the side, you can have it. Or you can just leave it in the mode, which is power on, and set it and forget it. It'll be ready to go.